So, hello guys! Today, I'll be showing you how to install VirtualBox and kung paano mag-setup ng Ubuntu inside it. First, open your browser like Google or Chrome on your PC and search lang natin ang Ubuntu. Then, choose the Ubuntu server. So, by the way, para pala sa mga bagong gagamit guys, choose Ubuntu server. Usually, yung LTS version ang pinipili dahil mas stable at recommended ito. So, after i-download, isi-save natin siya sa ating files and then wait lang natin matapos ang mag-download. So, ayan, downloading na siya guys. And then, ang next step ay ang pag-download ng VirtualBox tulad ng ginawa natin kanina. Search lang natin sa search bar ang VirtualBox. And then, download. And choose the right installer ayon sa inyong operating system. So, we are using Windows. So, we choose Windows Host. Then, isi-save ulit natin siya sa isang location. Tulad ng ginawa natin kanina. And then, wait lang natin siya ulit matapos sa pag-download. Now, we're going to install the installer. Then, follow the default setup next. And then, finish to open the VirtualBox. So, ayun guys. So, here we see the VirtualBox interface. On the left side, it shows the list of control panel. Dito, may makikita tayong new button para gumawa ng bagong virtual machine. And then, ang open, we can consider the existing virtual machine na ginawa natin. And yung preferences ay yung parang settings niya or pwedeng baguhin dito yung configuration. So, next, we're going to create virtual machine para sa Ubuntu sa loob ng VirtualBox. So, let's click the new. Let's name it Ubuntu server. Next, yung folder kung saan natin siya isi-save. And then, yung iOS image, ilalagay natin dyan yung dinaload nating Ubuntu. And then, yung OS is Linux. Tapos, yung version is 64. So, ito na yung ginawa natin guys. Click lang natin yung start. And then, wait lang natin siya para makapag-setup ng Ubuntu server sa loob ng VirtualBox. Okay, enter. Then, select English. Tapos, done. And enter. Continue. Done. Continue. Tapos, and then, sa proper configuration, enter lang tayo ng name, server name, and username. So, ang nilalagay ko sa username ay and then, sa server name, Ubuntu server, and sa search, for example, Nicole. Then, choose a password, and then, done, continue, done lang, and then, so, wait lang natin siya mag-load dito, guys. Wait lang. Mag-wait lang tayo ng few minutes dahil matagal mag-loading sa part na to. So, as you can see, may lumitaw na reboot now. Then, enter lang natin yon. Then, enter. So, once it's done, makikita natin dito yung may login user, and input lang natin yung ating username, and then password. So, as you can see, tapos na siya mag-set up ng Ubuntu inside the VirtualBox. So, once natapos ka na, or if you want to close it, just enter sudo power off. Ay, mali. Sudo power off. And password. So, ayan guys. Nag-off, power off na siya, as you can see. So, that's it for today, guys. Hope you learned something from the video tutorial. Thank you for watching.